Hello, my lovelies. Nicole Queen here. I was going to switch to 7 days to die and make one video of that today, but I am so enthralled with this right now. I can't. Look at this little puppy. Look at this little puppy. Oh my god. How? Okay. I want, because now that he's here, we have to take care of him. Obviously. Um, no, I do need to interact with you. I need to pick you up. How do I clean you? Because you're dirty. Okay. Is it not dirty? Have I just been calling her dirty and that's just what she looks like? How do you clean them? It shows that down. Here, come here, get in it. Get in it, mama clean you. Well, what the heck? It looks like you should be able to use it. There's a little sleepy mat. Yeah, I hear you, Papa. Ooh. Dog just taking over my life. That's alright. That's a fucking huge sleeping mat. Oh, Lord. Okay, we put the little food bowl. Come on, Pink. Remind me that she's a girl. Because I'm a bad dog mom and I need to be reminded of those things. Just, okay. Are you gonna eat? Oh my god. I'm gonna get it. It's fucking eating. That's so cute. Yeah. Pillow. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. There you go. See, that's your size. These are huge for this mat. You still a puppy. I pet you. See, it says neat. Needs hygiene. How? Can I put you in this? Oh. Okay, you're in it. Yay! My dirty dog. Oh, look at you. You're all black. You were really dirty. Oh, I pet you. You good, Papa. Come here, baby. Come here, lassie. Look at you all clean. Look at my lassie all clean. Here you go. I wish you could change what that said on the bed. I give you a treat. Boop. And then I give you a pet. Just another one. Oh, so good. Needs to sleep. Okay, come here. Pick up. Go night-night. Not enough room to place this here. How do you go night-night? Okay. Do I need that sleeping pad? How big is this? This looks like it's gonna be really big. How about this? Are you eating again, Papa? Holy shit! Wow, that was way bigger than I thought that was gonna be. These are all kind of big. Alright, bye room. You are now completely dogged up. Um, okay, drink your water. I gotta let you sleep because it says you're tired. Will you go night-night on here? There you go. Go night-night, lassie. It just sinks in. Oh, what the? You're tired. Go to bed. Go to sleep. I told you go night-night. This is your last chance. Mommy gonna get mad at you. Go night-night. Shh. Sleep. 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 There you go. Even though you can't see it, I know it looks so cute. It looks like it's decapitated. Oh, little pups. Okay. I want to take him on the job, though. I wonder how long it needs to sleep for. Okay, not long. Noise. Come here. Take to job. Close. You go to job with me. Oh, dear. Oh, Beagle. Oh, so cute. Oh, German Shepherd. That's what my puppa was. Rottweiler. Okay. Oh, it's a helper, too. Oh, my God. Cats. Wait. Bengal! Oh, Bombay. Another Bengal. Ooh, you pretty. Oh, handsome. You're handsome. Oh, Mama, you're so cute. I think I might get that. Give me 1 sec. My kid's knocking. Open the door. Whoop. All right. Bengal. British. I want the Scottish fold. I'm in love with it. Oh. And I get to name it. Francis. How do you spell Francis for a girl? I think it's like that. Francis. Oh. Lassie's growing up. Please remember that all pets, regardless of age, need much attention. Guys, look at how cute. Look at how fucking adorable. Oh my God, so now I need to get cat stuff. We need a bigger office. Hi, little mama. Okay. I can't have a trillion cats because I'm not going to be able to care for all of them. I have 1 cat, 1 dog. Boop. Hopefully the cat stuff. I know there's some big cat stuff, but let's put... Okay, nothing huge. Ah, oh, so cute. Okay, we need a cat bed. And she's a little girl, so I'm... Oh my God. Dude, I don't have space for all of you. Okay, don't eat the dog food. I might get you some food. Hang on. Hang on. I need to rearrange some shit. Is that a turd on my ground? Who's turtling? Oh, maybe you, because you don't have a litter box or anything. Okay. There you go. You got a litter box now. And look at you. My Pomeranian's now young and not a papa. Give a treat. Here you go, baby. I also want to take you to job. And I'm going to pet you one more time. Look at, she even looks like a little girl. Okay, and you need food. I need to fill with food and water. Can I click the other side to fill with water? There we go. Look! Oh my god. Kitty cat, go eat. Go eat. You got no needs? Okay, I'm taking y'all to my job. Are you sleeping again? You wake up, you nut. It's not night time. Okay, let's close. What is this next job? The animal caretaker. Running a business and being an accountant had been Morgan's whole life, until he handed the company over to his son and retired. To keep himself busy, he occasionally worked as a freelance consultant for his old friends. Once he was asked to prepare a report on stray pets in Cozy Village. The numbers were frightening. Morgan felt he had to act. He is determined and knows what to do. Hey, the hubs just got home, but we're doing this job. Okay. Come on. Look at how cute this little ranch is.
There is this saying about changing the world. I'm sure you know it. I've already started with myself. Now it's time for my home. Structure and order. They are crucial for my plan.
Okay.
This is how I see it. Cats and dogs will have their rooms downstairs. The other pets in the attic.
Oh my god, so many pets. What?
I know. It's such a nice room, but it's worth it. It's nothing compared to what they went through. What so many stray pets experience every day. I know, I can't save them all, but a few is more than none, right?
Oh man. The animal caretaker, that's so sweet. Teamwork. Oh, let me pet my babies. Hello, Francis. Hello, Lassie. Let me pet you real quick, too. Oh my god, it's so adorable. Okay. We don't have to mow and we don't have to pick up this trash. Interesting. You'd think that it would want you to clean that up. This looks really cool. Nice driveway game. Alright, let's line these up. Excuse you? What's in it? Oh my god, a raccoon! Stop! Where'd it go? Oh, that one's trash now. The raccoon touched it. This one a little closer. Okay. Perfect. A bin cage. What is this? Sweet Jesus. Oh. No, okay. What have I done? Okay, I can't... Wait. Where are these supposed to go then? Alright, guess we'll stick that there for now. This is fucking huge. Is this even the way it opens? Does it open? I don't know. Do you fill this with stuff? What is it? Oh, literally a cage to put your trash in. Is that what? Oh my god. I'm sorry it took my brain way too long to figure that one out. But I get it, so that way the raccoons don't get trapped in your trash. I got you. That's interesting. Look, eagles! Wow. Okay. Okay. I know this is being a little OCDs, but I need them the same space apart. Okay. Close that up. My kitten is so freaking small. Oh, sweet baby kitty. Come here, Lassie. I'm gonna pet you one more time. Alright, let's go check out the house. We don't have much more budget, so there can't be that much more to get. Let's fill these all up. Oh, that's food too? I thought one would be water. Oh, we gotta put water bowls out here. Although I guess let's not spend extra money on the job because I do that and then we end up fucked because we don't have any budget left. Here we go. Alright, come on, animals. Go get it. Mm. Was that you meowing? Oh my god. You're so cute. Good job, Lassie. You actually brought it back. Get it. No? Alright. um... Lots of toys for the animals. I like it. Oh, there we go. Good job, Lassie. Come on, give me it. Take a treat. Good job. Let me put this toy over here. Okay. Those are all full, able to feed the animals. This kitchen looks good. I don't see any trash. No dog pee or poop. Stop. Look at how cute that looks. Wow. I love this new cozy theme. It is way too fucking cute. Alright. Nothing in here. Damn. Office is jam-packed. Okay, your bathroom's good. What's over here? Okay. We need to sell all this shit. And make the cat and dog room, I think. Oops, I should have sold that lamp first. Oh. Alright. What's in here? Okay. No, not that. You still want the sink. You don't want the shower. Don't want a toilet. Ceiling tiles. Oh, man. I am excited about this job. Okay, and let's look upstairs real quick. And what does it want up here? Gotta sell a bunch more stuff. $100. Tell me we gotta sell all these books. And if I don't do it one by one, then we're not gonna get the money for them. And that's a disappointment. Okay, ceiling lamp. Gone. Oh my god, we get to put like every kind of animal in here. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Okay, ceiling lamp. Let's do light brown. Let's do 1, 2. That one's a little too far. How close? Like there. This one. Alright. Those look pretty even. And turn the lights on, check it out. Look at that warm, nice lighting. I think I want to move all of them though. Alright, and then stick these in the middle of that. Here we go. That looks nice. This light's a little more spread out. Alright, now get to all these cages. We need a pantry shelf. What the hell? Let's do chocolate large. Why not? Okay, so this can only go... Does this fit right in here? Oh. Alright, now... Bunny enclosure. Okay, so it's the same one we did. Let's do gray. We already did gray oak. Let's do some white. With a cherry house. Yeah, it's a fancy rabbit. With mahogany. Do dark steel. And how about some flowers? With a green food bowl. Okay. This is, I'm thinking, one of the biggest enclosures. So let's give it its own little section. I feel like I should shut those candles off downstairs. Hopefully that'll help with the lags a little bit. Come on, animals. Oh yeah, I forget neither of you can fucking go upstairs. Well, I'll be back down after. Okay, guinea pig. Well, red oak. With blue and dark yellow. Ooh, look at that. Green, yellow, black, and blue. Damn, that's fucking huge. This guinea pig's fucking ballin'. Okay. Do we need something to like put this on? What is that? Oh, it's little dirt? Dark ash. Dark ash. And let's do the sunny yellow. Oh my god, it's gigantic. Alright. We need the turtle. Hmm. Well, brown oak with natural oak with beech. And then we're going to do the sunny yellows. Wow. All right, turtle, do you fit this way? Look at these amazing habitats for them. I can't even. And this is going to be huge, I think. The sapel and the sunny yellow. Yep, nice and gigantic. And actually, I think I want to stick this over here on this wall because this is a nice big space. And then stick the aquarium in the middle. Just one furry carpet and a small one at that. Look at this. Fucking animal heaven. That's so nice. Okay. Let's do this other cat and dog room. Yay, my animals. Hi. Hi, Francis. You pretty kitty. Hi, Lassie. Come on, I'm trying to pet you. What the hell was that? You didn't even let me pet you. There we go. Alright. Lay floor tiles. We could do that. How is that done enough to... Oh my god. That's really cool. Ooh, the green though. With mahogany, that looks nice. A little doggy bed corner over here. What's this other dog bed? Coffee with beige. And we got, how about yellow? Oh, wow. A little blue bone. We'll do the sunny yellow. Oh, what's the matter? Why you cry, Francis? Oh, 'cause you pooped. Great. Don't be pooping at the fucking people's houses. How about we'll do... Actually, I like the green with the blue. That looks nice. We'll do one here. And then this one. Okay, so there's like a girly one and a boy one. I like that. Automatic feeders. Okay. I will get another one in the violet. Then we need the water. And we need one more water. Okay. Oh, you guys are going to drink and eat the water here. That's nice. How? Okay, so this is still having that same problem, so... Why can't I do this? Well, what's wrong with these pieces? How am I supposed to finish this job? Ooh, a pee pad. Okay. Actually, hang on. Giant cat tree village. Cool ash. Ooh, a light blue. Damn. Kitty cat section. Cat food, cat water. Dog carpet. Okay. Ooh. This is super cute. Oh no, I wanted a boy one. What am I doing? Oh my god. Here we go. Got 2 litter boxes. Stick the toys. I'm gonna stick the toys all over. I think my husband's getting mad I'm still recording. But I can't help it. I didn't know he was coming home early. Look at all these doggy toys. Are you gonna play with the kitty toy? Ooh, yarn. Oh, feather on his... Oh, I wish you could like hang it or something. That'd be cool. Okay, so I need 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, okay. I don't know what to do about this because we can't place those down. So I'm going to have this match the other thing that I made that color. Oh. What the fuck? Okay. Can I place this one? Alright, so I can place you. But not you. Okay, we'll have to do what we're doing. Yeah, I love that it's just like the floor. That makes me so happy. Sorry, guys. I'm used to closing doors. We need the tub for large, oh my god, large dogs. So that definitely needs this wall. Then we need the small one. Maybe like here against this wall. Shelf. I like this red oak. Hopefully I can jump up on. Nice. A little flowers, some shampoo. This, let's do browns. And we'll do golden. Put that here for the big dogs. Okay, so hang on. This has to go over here. That has to go there. This has to go. Oh, boo. I let it fall and it dies. We'll do blue with it instead. Trash can. Why is there no room? I need that corner. Damn it. How much room does this need? Jesus. Okay, it's because my dog's there. Red oak with the sunny yellow. Hi, kitten. Nice. Towel stacks. Where are these going? Just on the ground? Or in here? Oh. Okay. We'll do that. And then one more. And then we just need the fucking whatchamacallit. Nice. We'll go with the blue. And large. Yay! Alright, okay. Did we finish the job? What do we need to do here? Oh, yeah, we can't do that. Where is it? Is it supposed to go like on the ceiling or some shit?